This 2023 Fleetwood Discovery 38K is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Fleetwood is 38 feet 8 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Oceanfront interior, sleeps 8, smoke detector, water heater, Colorado detector, air conditioning, external shower, DVD player, skylight, microwave, TV antenna, oven, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2023 Fleetwood Discovery 38K is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.